done telling people have fun. Don't believe what they say. It's all make believe anyway.
All the talking heads are singing harmonies, overloading me, confusing. All upon opinions, slave to your convictions, domain over me, consuming. It's a crime, the cold distorted world you reap for yourself. Stuck in time, you're frozen in a false belief of yourself. 'Cause I'm done telling people have fun. Don't believe what they say. It's all make believe anyway. Look at what you said, it's unfair. Making shit up like you're the king of everyone's storyline. Never ending. Flowers when they're speaking, brainwash the machines and they walk all around 9 to 5. Builders on the army prey on what they wanna be. They will spend their time spreading your lies. It's a crime, the cold distorted world you reap for yourself. Stuck in time, you're frozen in a false belief of yourself. 'Cause I'm done telling people have fun. Don't believe what they say. It's all make believe anyway. Look at what you said, it's unfair. Making shit up like you're the king of everyone's storyline. Never ending. A perfect life in a perfect disguise. Ooh, the truth is blind, and it seems that you're I'm done telling people have fun. Don't believe what they say. It's all make believe anyway. Look at what you said, it's unfair. Making shit up like you're the king of everyone's storyline. Never ending.
Feel like lying when you lie to me. Can't trust a soul, I'm dealing silently, silently. We fall out like leaves on autumn trees. Wish I could be what I ought to be, ought to be.
I don't wanna focus on the problems, instead I gotta moving, trash and living toxic. I'ma be the only one to finish what it started. And living legacy until your brain I come and doctor.